Too many friends have become strippers and porn princesses. I mean, if you got the body of a 14-year-old and shake your hips like dipped cones, hell, you can have the fingerprints of America all over your soul. I can imagine the Mexican explorers when they came to this valley smeared with grass and wildflowers. The wind was probably sweeter than baby's breath, I'm sure. The southern pipe danced like the gods had grown petaled hands from the dust, opening to the sun in a language particular to children. This place was a meadow back then. Now it glows like a million frozen fireflies caught in the most perfect mason jar, and sometimes they twinkle. Those friends of mine, they've all learned where the light begins. The bulb went off inside themselves and spread like a star in supernova because they finally realized that stripping and porn are much like poetry and that you learn by doing. The fact becomes a lie because the truth cannot be denied. See, those girls weren't doing that shit because they wanted to do it, much like poets don't like writing poems like this. So this is for the girls who can't get out right now because the power of survival rests in their hips and not in their voice. And this is for the girls getting off graveyard at 8 in the morning and for the horny men from all over America who realize the warm arms of their wives weren't enough. You really have no idea that some of those girls just want to see Red Rock Canyon once a month or go down to Lake Mead and pretend they're lying on a beach. My city has a beauty like the girl who reads books in the corner. Stop looking at the cover and read her eyes. Poets, we talk about love and everything, but we gotta love the bad sometimes because sometimes the bad is just as loved as the sunsets. Oh my God, the sunsets. I imagine circle dances shrieking ghost-like in pink dusk. Sunbeams like God's fingers declaring that yes, beauty lives here forever. And I know that beauty lives in those girls who never get to see the sun, and those girls will never hear this because they're too busy not being dead in a city where death is behind buildings, just like in your city. You ever wanted to know what my sky really looks like? It goes on forever, like poetry, like you finally figured out what heaven looked like before you ever got there. It's a sky those girls have to imagine it themselves or they forget their gods to survive. And I've seen those girls get out just barely, more versed in the real world than most poets write real world verses. We shed our souls just as easily as they shed their clothes on a stage, and we are the ones complaining. There's probably a girl stripping right now has to recite her own poetry in her head just to make sure the guy she's grinding on doesn't look into her eyes. She probably dreams of meadows, of the children she'll have who won't ever know the poetry of knowing what you have to do to survive. She'll miss another sunset even though she won't have too much longer, you see. She and I both know how to navigate the labyrinth to a smile, how the lights are just temporary, much like the sadness all women have to bear, that love is just as hard for the girl who finds ugly and the ones who are looking for beauty. We both have the freedom to get out and get happy. We love this place because it's ugly sometimes, just like America is ugly sometimes, that magic just at the edge of the neon glow.